Here you can see my pen drive is not working. Okay, and it is like memory card. Okay, so this is look USB drive E. Okay, just go to command prompt to solve this program problem. cmd, then after click on run as administrator, click on yes. Simply type here part. Okay, diskpart, disk part, and click enter. After that, type list disk. Okay, list space disk and press enter. So here I have disk. One is one hard drive and one is my pen drive. Okay, so it's 14 GB pen drive. Then type select space disk. So select disk 2, then enter. So disk 2 is now selected. Disk. Now type clean and enter. So it's showing some error, and let's try. See, DiskSpot succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now type create partition primary and press enter. DiskSpot succeeded in creating the specified partition. Okay. Now you can see my disk is working.